What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today, as you will see, I am filming this video simultaneously on the front and back cameras of the iPhone 17 Pro. I am using the new iPhone 17 lineup standard feature, and this is standard across the 17 lineup for the new center stage camera, and I'm using the dual capture feature, which you will find on the 17 lineup. This applies to the 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, and the new 17 Air. So this video is a day one tech video. So this is what I would personally recommend you using on your iPhone as soon as you have it unboxed, because we want to protect our devices. And if you're like me, I apply these things before I even pick it up from the box, basically. So I highly recommend these products. Obviously, you don't have to use these specific ones. However, you can use variations of these products to make sure your phone's protected. So first of all, we start off with the ESR Ultra Fit AMOLED Pro screen protector. It's got 10 times the strength of your standard tempered glass, and it's also labeled as an accessory glass by the company Corning. So standard tempered glass, absolutely make sure you get it on your phone. The reason why I went for this one particularly is because it also has anti-reflective properties in the glass, which the iPhone 17 Pro does have. However, by adding this on top, you're just further increasing the anti-reflectiveness on your screen, especially when using it outside in high sunlight areas, depending on where you are. Next up, we've got the Spigen case. So a phone case is absolutely must, I say. This one particularly is the 01 edition Spigen case. And yeah, a phone case is absolutely must. I mean, as much as I would love to just use the iPhone bare as it is, it's made of aluminium. And if you drop it, that's pretty much the end of the phone. If not, you're going to have some nasty dents and scuffs on the casing, despite which color you decided to go with. So phone case, absolute must. I've used these Spigen cases in the past, and I've reviewed them in the past for different models of iPhones over the years. So I absolutely do recommend these. Next up, we have this Anker MagSafe charger. Now, this is the Anker Nano MagSafe charger. It is incredibly thin. I'm going to cover this in a completely separate video because of how amazing this product has been for me. I've been using it not just with the 17 Pro, but with the previous phone I had as well. It works with MagSafe, it's Qi 2 wireless charging, and honestly, it's absolutely fantastic. I cannot floor that product. It's been a game changer. And considering I said that about the last MagSafe product I used, this is a game changer. So yeah, just absolutely love it. And again, I will talk about this in a separate video. Last but not least, this one, it's not mandatory, I would say. However, this company, I'm not too sure about. I've never used them before. I'm not even sure how to pronounce the name. I think it's JetTech or JE-Tech or G-Tech. I'm just butchering the name right now. But what it is tempered glass screen protectors for your iPhone camera lenses. Now, this is basically the box that it came in, but I will just put a quick snippet or a screenshot somewhere on the video, or just apply it afterwards so you can see what the product particularly looks like. Comes in different variations, different colors. So again, you can get it for the iPhone 17 and the Pro Max. This one here is particularly for the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max because their cameras are identical. There is no difference between the 17 Pro and Pro Max except for the larger battery size, the fact that the Pro Max is heavier because of the larger size, and the fact that it's 6.9 inches as opposed to 6.3 inches. So those are the only differences. If you're going for the camera system, there is absolutely no reason why you need to spend the extra money just to get the Pro Max. But of course, if you want the extra battery, like the bigger size, then go for it. But yeah, these will protect your camera lenses from any scratches, scuffs. If you manage to drop it, perhaps you don't have a case on, I would still recommend you protect those lenses, because the camera on the iPhone 17 Pro is amazing. And you don't want to damage those lenses, especially not because that's, let's face it, you damage the lenses, I don't even know what's going to happen next. But yeah, absolutely. These are the products I would recommend as day one tech. that you have on your iPhone 17 lineup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I say, I will cover some products in their separate own videos just purely because of how amazing they are, and I have to credit this Anker MagSafe battery pack for that, because that has honestly been a game changer. I absolutely love it. That's probably one of the best tech products I've bought in a couple months. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos because there's a lot coming, and I hope you will enjoy the content. So thank you very much for tuning in. Peace and blessings to you all.